The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, based on its full commitment to joint action and as chair of the Fourth Islamic Summit Conference, has called for this 17th session of the extraordinary session in response to the hardships faced by the Afghani people, particularly with the approach of the winter season and the sufferings met by the children and old people that need urgent support and help, particularly with bearing in mind the economic difficulties that have caused not only a humanitarian crisis but can lead to further instability and impact both regional and international peace. We are committed to convene today under the umbrella of the OIC this long-time organization based on principled goals and objectives of the noble Islamic faith that involve peace, security, and extending help to the needy, middle-of-the-road action, and rejecting all kinds of manifestations of terrorism. This OIC that represents two-thirds of the world community represents action that is based on coordination for the benefit of peace and security and the peace of the world. Our meeting expresses our solidarity with the Afghani people, a message to the international community of the importance for immediate action to put an end to the degraded situation in Afghanistan.